So welcome to Lampire Biological. We are a biotech company in Everett, Pennsylvania. What we do is we utilize animals to make products that serve the human and vet diagnostic industries.
I'm the animal husbandry supervisor. I help to oversee that the animal health and welfare is being maintained. Some of our products, actually, we serve a global market. So there's a large portion of our business actually is shipped overseas on a global basis. Some of our animal whole blood is used from everything for calibrating machines that do CBCs, or complete blood counts.
Lampire has 6 sites throughout the state. We employ about 160 employees. What we're doing is something very similar to what you're familiar with already. So you can see behind me we have a number of goats and pigs. All of that blood is used for a wide variety of diagnostic tests or to test equipment. We inject animals and they make an antibody for us. And then every month, just like you can donate blood, you can go to the Pheresis Center and donate a pint of blood. That's what our animals do.
We have different whole blood that's used for QA testing of artificial hearts to make sure that the pumps seal properly. Some of our animal blood is used for the flu tests, influenza tests for humans.
My name's Carla Bush. I'm the blood processing whole blood supervisor. So we don't require a college degree, but it is very helpful. I have a bachelor's degree actually in food science. We do all different species. We have bovine, sheep, goats, pigs, turkeys, chickens, geese, and then they're all in different anticoagulants. I actually am a big advocate for the ag industry, so for me this was both agriculture related and science related.